event plays out in a fast and furious way. You have to be on the front foot in terms of understanding and knowing exactly what to articulate as part of your business, and to be able to help people understand in very simple business speak without sort of going into technical details and things like that.
I'm Paul Turner, I'm CEO of Zynet. We do a lot of IT management, proactive focus to keep systems safe, and we do a lot of cyber resilience for business.
I'll connect with you, mate. There you go. Thanks, Paul. Yeah, found it very engaging. A lot of different types of people, a lot of different types of organisations, different industries. So you're learning a lot throughout the whole process as well. Yeah, so it was a good event to come to and just see how it played out.